everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about these canvases for painting that I got. These are 6x6 size, so 6 inches by 6 inches, and they do come in a 12 pack, so you get a whole bunch of them, which is really nice. The canvas itself is really nice texture, really good quality, and it's stretched super tightly over this wooden backing here, and it's sealed really well on the edges, so you're not gonna have to worry about the canvas peeling up at all. And then also the canvas is really smooth, but it does have just enough tooth in it that it's going to hold your paints and keep them where you want them. There's not gonna be any smudging, there's not gonna be bleeding, things like that. They dry really quickly also, and they dry really evenly. Sometimes I've had canvases where parts of them will dry a lot faster than other parts, and that's how you end up making mistakes and smudging it or ruining it because you think it's dry and it's not. So I actually bought these for my daughter. She loves them. I think they're great for kids. There are so many of them, so she can, work on one little project and she still has a bunch more to use after. So if you're looking for something like this, I would highly recommend that you look into these ones. They're great for acrylic paints, oil paints, watercolors, basically any paint that you're wanting to use. This canvas is going to hold up really well. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.